like, thank you from the very bottom of my heart. It means the world to me to see you here night after night. This is a big dream come true for me, and it always has been to one day be able to get up on the stage. And when I was younger, and someone was like, "Oh, what's the definition of success?" And I'd be like, "Oh, well, as long as I can keep coming back to the same city."